I didn't even really know what a data center was before I came here.
I didn't even know what one looked like or where they would be.
As soon as you hear Facebook, you know what I mean, of course your ears perk up. You're gonna be like, oh, okay, Facebook, you know, especially being from New Mexico. You gotta live in California or something to get an opportunity like that, you know what I mean?
Facebook's data centers are providing the infrastructure that Facebook's family of applications need to provide services to all of our users across the world, several billion people globally, and an integral part of being able to provide the platform for those services to operate.
We at Facebook recognized early on, as we've built these fantastic data centers across the globe, that there is a skill gap in our trade industry. The co-op program is an 8-week program that gives those students a very hands-on, immersive experience in the data center to better understand what those opportunities look like in the data center and also help fill that skill gap.
I was a residential HVAC tech in Las Vegas for several years before I came here and before I went to learn electrical. I had a very narrow vision of what the outcome would be. I thought I was going to be just a residential tech working for a small company.
The Facebook Co-op program evolved after we had tried to explore internships at the data center facilities, which led us to some really good results. We wanted to be able to do more. And the co-op program provides a platform for being able to do that by connecting with our community partners and our data center contractor support base, from construction to operations to maintenance, to provide some exposure to the people that are considering which way to go with their career.
Facebook provided me with a mentor. He's been absolutely great. He's kind of stepped up and above and beyond and kind of been a big brother to me, basically. He's given me a lot of great advice. It's incredible, just a little kid from a trade school in Albuquerque.
The hope is to connect with those 8 students and train, inform them so that they can be ambassadors of the program and go back to the community to talk about the trade industry. There are so many fantastic opportunities in the trade industry and across our data centers. We need the co-op program to be a program that informs the community about those opportunities.
With the 8 weeks, we've really gotten a lot of experience that a lot of people don't have. They have so many different careers and options, and it's just amazing. Don't be scared to apply.
This co-op program has been awesome to me. I've learned so many things, things that I would have never even heard of outside of this data center.
Coming here and being a part of the co-op program has definitely opened my eyes and shown me that I am capable and possess the skill set to work for Facebook, and I honestly feel like the opportunities are endless.